Though I'm a chef, I'm not really a baker. I'm not a pastry chef. But because of KitchenAid, I can bake well. Kung kilala niyo ako, alam mo talaga, pagkatapos kong kumain, maghahanap talaga ako ng dessert. Kahit tsokolate, fruit, cake, or whatever, after a meal, I always have to have my share of a sweet treat. I started baking really young, siguro I was around 7, 8 years old or even younger. I'd help out in the kitchen. And my mom taught me this recipe. It was called one egg cake. And it's just so simple recipe, just 1 egg, 1 cup flour. Sobra kong daling nagawa. And from then on, siguro nakita yung creativity. I started to add stuff like chocolates and all that on my own. I really fell in love with baking at a very, very young age. Kung ako yung tatanungin mo about KitchenAid, sino ba yung baker sa mundo na ayaw ng KitchenAid? Kasi yun talaga yung standard. Even when I was growing up, pag may KitchenAid si tita, si lola, parang, I want that! I want that! As a content creator, obviously, ako, pipiliin ko na yung bongga. Diba? It's such a sturdy, reliable, and, durable piece of equipment. Tindeli really is a cafe and deli concept, no? It really comes from Tindeli, tindahan at delicatessen. Here you can buy some breads, you can buy cold cuts, and everything we do ourselves, no, in our commissary and our bakeries. One of the things that we produce at Tindeli is really the ensaymada grande. Our ensaymada grande is the Mallorca style na dough made with the pork lard. Where we have bits and pieces of hamon and it's topped with buttercream, a very luscious buttercream. You have to try the ensaymada grande. It's such a sweet, savory, silky, chewy na ensaymada that you will surely fall in love with. I'm Chef Tatong. I'm everyone's favorite chef. I'm also a restaurateur, a content creator, an author. I'm also a baker by heart.